What's going on, guys? Jamie Fishing here. We're still working on the name, but this is going to be the first YouTube video of the series for the channel. We're on Nickajack for stop number 2 or 3 for the Tennessee Bass Nation, and I'm on a pretty solid spot. So hopefully we're going to catch him up today. We got 1 minute till the tournament starts. Gonna bring you along, and hopefully we wax him today. Hoping to cut a check, at least be top 10, and you know, we'll see what we can do. Yeah, gonna try and edit this video the best I can. We'll see how it turns out, but come along to catch some big fish. There's one. Yeah, we're gonna catch him today. He wanted that on the pause. The morning bite's about to go crazy. $16.25. I just saw one bust, so I'm trying to get back out there. I don't love that I caught a fish on the first cast. Sometimes that's bad luck. Oh, I lost one. They want it on that pause. So all I'm doing is I burn it in, and then I pause it, and they come get it. Oh, I did it again. Oh, they're crushing bait out there. I gotta make sure I get them. Oh, dude. Dang it. Can't be missing fish like that. Oh, dude. I think that was one. I just boofed it. There's a nice one. Oh, I lost it again. Lost another one. Come on. I gotta bury that hook a little deeper. Is my hook not sharp? Oh, it's sharp. No. There we go. It's a small one, but it'll help. This one better get called out. Well, this morning bite I think is going to be pretty crucial, so I was trying not to waste time. Trying to make sure Ooh, there's one. Smaller one. Yeah, this morning bite's going to be pretty crucial, so I was just trying to make sure I get a limit out of the way. So far, the one I lost was pretty big. This one I just caught is small. I've at least almost got a limit. That's all that matters. I won't feel as disappointed if I end the tournament with a limit. Yeah, it was 13 and a half. So I've got a 16 something, a 13 something, and a 14 something. I just got bit again. There's a beaver behind. Why are the beavers following me around? It's the second tournament in a row. I got beavers following me around. A few more, but if I don't catch any big ones in the morning, it's gonna be a long day. But I don't know. We'll see. Yeah. There's one. Ooh, that feels like a nicer one. Yeah, it is. It's not a giant, but it's a nice one. We will take that all day. There we go, Dad. The nice part is I've barely fished my stuff yet. Like, four. I've got four, and I've got 4 on video and 2 lost fish. So we're doing good today. Pretty consistently. But it's supposed to be like 80 degrees today, so I don't know. That might mess them up a little today. Might make them slow down. I don't know. It might. We'll see. Right now, it's fairly calm, which isn't total. Oh, I just got. That's a nice one. Oh, geez. That was a mess, but we'll take it. That's a nice fish. That's what I'm talking about, Dad. I don't know. I gotta get this hook out of its mouth. It's probably another 17. It might go 18. Ooh, 18? No, 17 and 3/4. I need 4 like that. That got me excited. Need another fish. Need a big one. That was hectic. Hit it at the boat. I don't think this one's gonna help, but it might. I think this one's, which one's wrong? That was ugly. My net chop's been quite ugly today. That'll call. Hold on, hold on, hold on. Quit talking. That's a big one. There we go. That's a nice call. Let's go, Mom. I do seem to always catch fish when I'm on the phone with you two. I don't know. I haven't measured it yet. Oh, that's a nice one. is a big one.